We are family. How the Pakistani concept of extended family, Biradiri, differs from ours, by Jacob Holmquist. Biradiri. In the Pakistani culture, Biradiri or Biradari has multiple meanings. It refers to both the family and the caste system. Many of the Islamic faith firmly state that the caste system is not Islamic. However, many of the family traditions of Pakistani families follow Muslim doctrine. In Urdu, Biradari means brotherhood or kinship. Kinships and brotherhoods or families are integral to the social structure of Pakistani culture and life. Family living. It is not uncommon to find families living in the same compound and or village together, up to the third, fourth, and fifth generations. Cousins, aunts, uncles, grandmothers, grandfathers, brothers, and sisters can often be found all living under the same roof or within a few minutes' walk of each other. When a couple are married, the parents commonly arrange the marriage. Often, cousins are married to each other. A new husband will typically bring his new bride to live with him and his entire family, where she is taken in as part of the family and will serve her husband and her mother and father-in-law. Being so close together helps form strong family bonds, which is essential to survival and prosperity in the family, as family members depend more on each other for financial assistance, social standing, and employment opportunities than anyone else. Family relationships. The birth of a son is typically more celebrated than that of a daughter, as sons are believed to bring more honor to the family. Daughters are costly because of the dowry and wedding that has to be paid for when she is married. Feuding of any kind in the family is avoided by all family members. This helps to maintain the family's standing in society. A feuding family is not one another family want their son or daughter to marry into. Brothers and sisters usually develop strong relationships that last into adulthood. This is important because when a woman is widowed, it is usually up to her brothers to care for her. Sons are also known to be very close to their mothers. Honor and shame. When a family member does something that is considered shameful, it not only brings shame to him or her, the entire family is affected and shamed. Vice versa, when a family member does something that would be considered honorable, it not only brings honor to him or her and improves their reputation, it does the same for all the extended family. This attitude keeps the family members very aware of each other and their actions and situations in life. Sources, thank you for viewing.